Hey friends, it's Minnie. So a couple of months ago, me and my husband decided to make over our creative space. So we actually bought the house and we've been so busy with remodeling that we haven't put much thought into decorating. I spent a lot of time in here. We use this office as our work from home office. So we work from home, we're always in here. And we also use this space as our gaming office. And we also do a lot of our creative hobbies in here. And the decor right now is looking a little meh. Basically, we need some vibes in here. And we're going to give it some, if that makes sense. I don't know.
So today we are making some dreamy shelving inspired by Pastel Danish Decor. This brings me to our interior inspo. It's definitely a mix of different styles and themes because, you know, we gotta mix it up because of both of our tastes. But we are going for a fun, colorful, eclectic pastel Danish decor with influence from gaming and anime, of course. We want this room creative and inspiring because as of right now, it is anything but. So here's past me in April, showing you all around the office space in its current state. This is the area we were actually working on today. We have our spin bike here, these backdrop rolls for my gaming videos that I never got to use, and this cluttered corner, this sad area for our printer that just gets stuff put on top and it's basically forgotten. Our desk setup is great. I like it. I just would like to make the area a little nicer to look at, you know. I mean more vibes here. This area is where I work on projects, take pictures, and I do DIYs here. It's very sad, and I just want to update the area a bit, make it more functional, and, you know, make it pretty. Okay, though, this light. I have no words.
This is our space. This is what we're working with. I'm really excited to redo everything. We are going to do the shelves today. We already bought the shelves. We bought the spray paint. My husband's gonna help me with it. So let's go meet him outside because I think he has everything set up and stuff.
So if you want to try and make your own pastel metal shelf, here's what I used. A muscle rack, a black 5-tier shelf. You get these at any hardware store. Measurements are on the screen. Spray paint in color of your choice. I went with Rust-Oleum spray paint in the color Wildflower Blue. It's so pretty. And I ended up using 5 of these. Masking tape, P220 sandpaper, and if you can, some help.
We have this guy here.
Hello.
A special guest.
Hi.
It's my husband, Ant. Ant Toast.
I like it. I like Ant.
So he's gonna help me with this today. We're gonna assemble it and paint and get it set up in our office. Oh. It went nowhere. We're using masking tape to mask off all the silver detailing so it doesn't get painted blue.
Alright, safety first, my friends. With the P220 sandpaper, you're basically just going to scuff up any part of the metal shelf you are going to paint. This is a good way to ensure a long-lasting paint finish.
This is so big. I'm gonna spray paint them. Okay, so we actually ended up needing to go get 3 more cans of paint because we ran out of the other 2.
While we wait for the shelf to dry, we're gonna start clearing out this side of the office. So I get to say goodbye backdrop paper that was never used. Goodbye shelf, you served your purpose. And oh, that's Tooth. That's my favorite plushie.
Hey, you're almost my height.
I know. I've never been up here before. Imagine if I was really this tall.
That'd be cool.
That would be cool.
I like you small though.
So we actually built the shelf without instructions because we accidentally threw them away. But building was actually pretty easy, self-explanatory, and not to mention fast. It only took about 10 minutes.
Before we move on with decorating the shelf, I am going to add something to it, and that is lights. They've just been sitting in our closet, so I was like, I'm just gonna put some of these to use behind the shelf.
So I know everyone loves some vibey lights, so here's a little tip to apply lights to any area are these 1x1 inch mounting bases with clear zip ties. I purchased these at Home Depot, but I'm sure they sell them at any hardware store. These mounting bases have little slots where you can slip the zip tie through and hold the lights in place. They do have sticky backs, but the sticky adhesive on them is a lot more durable.
This shelf is looking so cute, but I don't think it's complete yet because I went ahead and ordered something. I went ahead and ordered a little surprise. I got a disco ball. So I've recently noticed how people use disco balls to decorate their space and add them into their decor, and I thought this shelf really needed one. Put our little friend right here. So cute. I think the shelf is complete now. Ta-da! All done. Just want to say thanks so much for watching part 1 of my creative gaming office space makeover extravaganza. I don't know what I'm gonna call this, something along those lines. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this gave you some inspiration for your space. Let me know down in the comment section below if you would make one of these and what color would you do it. Thank you so much. All info will be in description, and I will see you back here for part 2 very soon. All my hearts and stars, I will see you in my next video.